Welcome to the series of Complete Python in 1 minute. Let's check out the rules for defining the variable name in Python. Defining the variable name in Python is same as other popular languages like C, C++, Java. These are the rules for defining the variable names. First one, special symbols are not allowed in the variable name of Python. Second one, keywords cannot be used as a variable name in Python. And third one, the variable names in Python are case sensitive. Let's check out all this stuff with the help of the code.
These are the right way to define a variable. So variable name can be in small case letter, uppercase letter that can start with underscore, and we can use digits in a variable name. These are the wrong way to define a variable. Variable name cannot start with the digit, and we cannot use hyphen in the variable name and or any other symbol except the underscore, and we cannot leave the space in the variable name.
Stay tuned to complete the Python in 1 minute.